It's just stopped looking beigey and kind of looked more pink. Yeah, avoid keeping that suitcase outside on the balcony because the sun will change color on the lighter colors. I was able to save. It's a very light suitcase compared to all the other ones with the same capacity. This is the lightest one on the market. So I love the wheels. I love that they are black too instead of gray. Tip for you, just use a regular magic eraser. This is so satisfying. I love the zipperless design. Comes with full-on accessories. I have one, so as you can see here, this is going to be an unboxing and review video of the new Hybrid Silver Monos suitcases in medium and in large. And I'm going to show you and tell you everything about it and why I decided to go with these two. And this is my... I bought it like over a year ago, so it's like a year and a half now old carry-on. This is the regular carry-on, not the plus version, just the regular. I keep getting questions about it, which size it is, and it is the smaller size, which I sometimes regret that I didn't get the bigger size because this has been fitting on all the planes, and honestly sometimes I do wish I got the bigger one, but that's for another video. As you can see, I actually haven't cleaned it yet. I took it on so many flights, and yeah, it has some scuffs here. Overall, this is actually will be very easy to clean with the magic eraser. There is a video coming, guys, how I clean and take care of my luggage, and I'm gonna share some tips on how to prevent these scuffs and marks on your luggage. But I'm very happy with this color that I got, because my previous Monos carry-on that was in black color, well, it honestly showed marks a lot more than the light one. So I'm very happy with this one. Haven't had a need to clean it, and you can barely see anything. That's why I decided to get more Hybrid Silver carry-on. You guys, this was literally like my goal. I was thinking about it, you know, for a long time, if it's worth it, if it's not worth it, I don't know. But after like reading, doing so much research, why I decided to go with these two. Well, so first of all, the lightness of these suitcases. So I have stuff in this suitcase. This is the Carry-On Pro, and even though it's filled with stuff, it's still very light. And I had my large Monos check-in large luggage for like almost 4 years now. The color was Desert Taupe, which at the beginning I really liked, and then quickly I stopped liking it. I don't know why, but it just changed, like, I don't know, it's just stopped looking beigey and kind of looked more pink. I didn't have an issue with this suitcase. Like a year and a half, it still looks silver, so I don't know what happened to the other one, but yeah, it just didn't look as good, but still it worked amazingly well. Like the wheels, never issues, and I would overfill that suitcase. It would be extremely heavy. I took it on so many flights to Europe, to Hawaii, to Dallas, and it just holds up so well. So I do trust Monos when it comes to their warranty, which they do offer lifetime warranty. Like it's solid, like their stuff is solid. I only had that one problem with the color. Desert Taupe just didn't last. Yeah, avoid keeping that suitcase outside on the balcony because the sun will change color on the lighter colors. I was able to save the color on my black suitcase from Monos. I used the 303, some kind of a spray for plastics, and it actually made the suitcase a very nice intense black. It saved it, so I was able to save it, but the lighter color just kind of faded. Didn't have that issue with the Hybrid. That's why I decided to get it, especially that it's a very light suitcase compared to all the other ones with the same capacity. This is the lightest one on the market, which is important to me because I hate carrying heavy luggage. So first thing first, the weight was very important to me. These are the lightest suitcases at that volume that I could find. The other thing, zipperless design. You guys, this is life-changing. The amount of time I'm saving by opening this luggage, putting everything in. If I forget something, I can open it quickly without trying to, like, especially on the large luggage, that makes a difference. If you have to quickly open it and close it, trying to find the zipper on, like, you know, I don't know which side it's gonna be on, it's a pain. That's the other thing I hated about my regular Monos large check-in bag, that I would always just be frustrated with the zipper. The zipper worked amazingly well, the locks, everything. I didn't have any complaints, just I hate the zippers. So this is amazing. Fourth thing is the looks. I do really like how fancy this suitcase looks. It looks like, you know, some like fancy, trendy, like silver luggage, like aluminum luggage. Even though it is made a majority of polycarbonate, so it's super durable and light. Compared to aluminum silver suitcases, this is lighter, which again, I think about it and I always feel so grateful that Monos luggage is so light. I love that. So I love the looks, I love the zipper-less design, and I do love that it's a light luggage, so I can easily recognize it at the airport when I'm stressed out and I'm like, okay, is this my luggage? Like, oh, there's so many black luggage like on the belt, like which one is mine? And it's so awkward to like come up to it, take your bag, and then find out it's not your bag and you have to put it back on the belt. I don't want to be in those situations anymore, so having all my suitcases in the same color, and so it's such a bright light color, I'm gonna be easily able to recognize them. So these are the main reasons why I went with the silver hybrid check-in bags. Okay, let's unbox them. Okay, I did unbox them before filming this video, so they are right here. It will be just too loud and too messy to try to unbox. So here they are. This is the carry-on, regular carry-on, so you can kind of compare the size, as you can see. So as you can see, I honestly am obsessed with this color. I love how this whole thing looks, especially with the mahogany personal item. I'm just gonna put it here on top. It's gonna look so luxurious. I just love, like, few things that I can point out, like right now looking at these bags. First of all, how easy it is to roll them. If you had some bags with like super annoying wheels that like would just not roll smoothly, especially if your bag is heavy, that's gonna be extremely stressful and annoying. So I love the wheels. I love that they are black too instead of gray, because you can't see the dirt on them, which you can clean them, but the black looks so much better on wheels. The telescopic handle, you get a few different levels, so depending how tall you want this to be, you can have it like this, you can fully extend it. I love that. Fully customizable. Same thing on this one, so full length, then slightly less tall, then less tall, and yeah, so you get, I believe it's actually levels, but it's very nice. The other thing is, if you're worrying about the light color getting more marks, I'm gonna tell you right now that the lighter colors of Monos suitcases get a lot less marks visible, because I had the black Monos and I had the light desert taupe, and the desert taupe, even though you would get some marks, you would see it, but it wasn't as visible. I literally waited 4 years to clean it because it wasn't that big of a deal. And honestly, I do have the covers for the large ones. I'm gonna actually use the large cover. It's a plastic cover that you can buy additionally. It's $45. So I mean, I wish it would come with it, but I also don't know how, if I'll like actually use it. I have it, I should use it, because even though this color doesn't show scratches, like if I can keep it in a pristine condition, like brand new, why not? I have the cover, I'm gonna use it, and then I'm gonna compare with the one medium without cover and see how they hold up, how they look. I'm curious actually to just compare. I'm gonna make a video in like a few months to compare this one, which I'm gonna use with the cover, the Monos cover, and this one I'm gonna use without. So we will see. But again, I do love that this Monos luggage comes with full-on accessories. It comes with the luggage tag. All the other brands, unfortunately, you have to buy it additionally, and it is a cost of like $50 for luggage tag. So this comes with the luggage tag, and also 3 nice bags, which I use all the time. I have all of them. I'm collecting all of these shoe bags and laundry bags, and I use them every single time I fly. They're very good quality. You can wash them. I use it for shoes, I use it for laundry, and it's great. So I do love that each bag comes with 3 shoe and laundry bags, and as well as a little magic eraser. And the magic eraser is not as good as regular magic eraser. It doesn't have any like you know, scents in it. So when I was trying to clean my luggage with the Monos one, I was like, not as good as the just regular magic eraser that has some cleaning like product in it. Like it definitely smells like a cleaning product. So not only you get the, you know, the texture of the magic eraser, you also get the cleaning product, and definitely work better. So tip for you, just use a regular magic eraser to clean this stuff. It worked well, it didn't scratch my luggage, and I was able to clean it in a short amount of time. The other thing is that it comes with compression straps, which I like. So on one side you have a zippered compartment. I use that compartment also, like if I go on a long trip and I have a lot of dirty laundry, I store all that dirty laundry in that top zippered compartment, so it's all separate from all of my fresh clothes. And then I use straps for all of the other items and stuff, yeah, and clothes. So it's in this side with the strap, and this one is zippered, which I really like. And ooh, this is so satisfying. I love the zipperless design. Someone was asking me if there is a seal on this luggage, like somehow some other brands produce, you know, zipperless design with a seal, but if you look at the design here, there's so many like grooves that it's honestly impossible that like the water will seep in. And like, look, don't store this luggage on a balcony. It's gonna change color, it's gonna fade, it's not worth it. Keep it in your closet, under the bed, protect it from rain. I mean, look, even if it's gonna be rainy, I really doubt there will be any issues with rain and water seeping in. I didn't test it, but I never had that issue. I had this luggage for almost 2 years, the carry-on. No problems. And you get 2 zippered compartments here for smaller items. Sometimes I put electronics here, air tag. I always put it here, so it's easy to find. Yeah, I love all the little tabs. It's so easy to use. It's very satisfying how they design it. It has that nice click. They definitely thought about all the senses when they were designing this luggage, so I love that. And yeah, it's super easy to unlock it. Like, this is great. If you actually use the straps, use the zippered pocket, you can open your luggage like this, and then basically without putting it on the ground, you can dig for whatever you want to get from your luggage. Not like with the standard luggage where you have to unzip it, so you have to put it on the ground. This is actually kind of neat. And of course you get the top handle, the side handle, and little feeties here, which actually, oh yeah, they're not made out of rubber. Yeah, it's the same fabric, the same material. So yeah, and as you can see, even on my carry-on, which I've been using, you can barely see any use on these. And I'm pretty sure Magic Eraser would clean it off. So that's pretty neat. Very easy to use, I never had issues. I'm gonna link all these items down below in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yeah, anytime you purchase something from the links I link below in the description, it supports my channel. So I'm very grateful. Thank you for doing that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!